Following the patterns, return viewer psychology in the high-complexity era of 2025. The analysis of the channel's top 10 return viewer titles, situated within the cultural and technological climate of December 2025, reveals a distinct pattern in audience motivation and expectation. This period is characterized by rapid AI integration into everyday life, escalating conversations around automation and workforce displacement, widespread concerns about digital surveillance, and a growing public appetite for interdisciplinary understanding as global systems become increasingly complex. Within this context, returning viewers consistently demonstrate a preference for intellectual exploration, cross-domain synthesis, and psychologically or culturally reflective content. Rather than seeking entertainment or superficial information, they return for the creator's unique cognitive approach, one that blends scientific reasoning, mythic symbolism, psychological insight, cultural analysis, and emerging technological realities into coherent explanatory frameworks. Thus, the creator is effectively positioned as a synthesizer of ideas, a guide to hidden structures, and an interpreter of why human, societal, and technological phenomena unfold as they do. Examining individual titles reinforces this interpretation. Videos such as "When a Flat Vortex Intersects Infinity, Does It Wobble?" capture a 2025 era fascination with abstract theoretical inquiry framed through accessible philosophical interpretations, while the modern polymath revealed and fractals and splatter. The cognitive architecture of a polymath resonate with viewers navigating an increasingly interdisciplinary world, where hybrid skills and cognitive adaptability have become culturally prized. The presence of meta-analytical content like reading between the views, what my channel's return viewers reflect, shows that audiences in late 2025 value self-understanding and seek creators who can articulate the psychological patterns driving collective behavior. Videos addressing financial psychology, such as "The Silent Setup for Financial Disaster," connect directly to contemporary anxieties about economic volatility, dopamine-driven decision-making amplified by algorithmic platforms, and the tension between abundance and burnout in a highly digitized economy. The focus on surveillance culture in Always On, cameras, culture, PTSD, and surveillance anxiety aligns with December 2025 societal concerns regarding ubiquitous cameras, AI-driven monitoring systems, and the normalization of being constantly observed. Similarly, myth science videos involving dragons, naga, and jinn reflect a broader cultural movement toward rediscovering symbolic depth during a time of technological saturation, where myth serves as a counterbalance to hyper-rational, data-driven environments. Disaster-focused content like "Is Yellowstone Waking Up?" reflects heightened public attention to natural risks amid ongoing climate extremes, while humans out, robots in. The 2025 workforce shift directly mirrors real-time global debates about AI automation, job displacement, and the future of human labor. Within this historical moment, these patterns suggest that returning viewers are not merely consuming content, but seeking intellectual nourishment and emotional orientation. They want meaning, coherence, and structural insight across domains, myth and psychology, history and cognition, technology, and society. Their attraction to edge-of-reality subjects, content that sits between scientific explanation and symbolic resonance, reflects a 2025 desire to understand both rational systems and the deeper narratives that give them human significance. Many titles indicate a need for cognitive and emotional clarity, with viewers turning to the creator to help interpret anxiety, societal transformation, risk, and the accelerating pace of change. The popularity of content analyzing the audience itself signals a desire to be understood during a time when algorithmic personalization often replaces genuine insight. Given these conditions, the expectations placed on the creator become clearer. Return viewers want continued interdisciplinary integration, treating the blending of science, culture, psychology, myth, and futurism as a defining hallmark of the channel. They value bold exploration of unconventional topics, but expect explanations that remain rigorous, grounded, and nuanced, particularly in a landscape where misinformation and sensationalism are prevalent. They also seek metacognitive understanding, looking to the creator for models of how thinking works and how complex minds structure reality. Psychological analysis applied to real-world risks has heightened relevance in December 2025, as individuals strive to interpret both internal experiences and the broader structural forces shaping their lives. Finally, the appeal of mythic content underscores the audience's need for symbolic meaning during a technologically turbulent era. In sum, placing the analysis within its December 2025 historical context highlights that returning viewers are drawn to the channel because it offers a rare combination of intellectual rigor, mythic resonance, psychological depth, and cultural foresight at a time when such integrative perspectives are increasingly scarce. They come not only to learn, but to navigate a world marked by rapid transformation. For these viewers, the creator functions as both analyst and guide, someone capable of revealing hidden patterns, interpreting uncertainty, and providing frameworks that help them understand themselves, society, and the shifting structures